Gene and I traveled here from Colorado. This is the second weekend that we spent here at Flite Test headquarters. 4-day weekend, building these course features, and this is all stuff we've built before. We've got all of the stuff back in Tiny Hope headquarters in Colorado, but it's sort of down in the basement. We're not a public space. We're just a warehouse, with 2 people working there, sending stuff out, and we've had a lot of people over to fly, but I can't really open it up to the public. And I can't put this LED art and tiny book style of course in front of a ton of people like I want to. So that's what this course is about. You guys are here for the unveiling of it. You're the first people to experience the new Flite Test Tiny Book course. You're gonna love these tunnels. You probably haven't, first of all, how many people have never been to Flite Test headquarters before? Awesome. Awesome.
Welcome, guys.
I've been like a couple times. But when I first saw that they were doing this golf course project, I daydreamed of this moment, of being able to do a cooperative event here at Edgewater. It's a dream come true. Thank you so much to the Flite Test team. The course is alive now. It's so much cooler than it is on the outside. I was trying to
and today's pretty much all about having fun. And I like that everybody wore sweaters and stuff. That's awesome. So give it up for Lonnie. Alright guys, this is something that I'm really happy to say that we got all these pilots here, these people here to watch. This is going to be a great day here at Flite Test. And thank you for having me.
Alright, here we go. This is going to be exciting. Oh! It was...
Yes!
Yeah, I'm just listening to the expert. He said just push it down. I'm like, okay.
You know, I think no, there's nothing but that.
So wait, is that your first time crashing this plane because of that, Paul?
Oh, that's how most of my fixed wing flights end, actually.
I should have been more